Have you ever wondered why some people seem to sail smoothly over life's hurdles while others stumble and fall? It's a question that has puzzled many, and the answer lies not in the strength of our muscles, but in the power of our minds. Our mindset, the lens through which we view the world, can be our greatest ally or our worst enemy. It's like a master key that has the potential to unlock doors or keep them firmly shut. When we foster a positive mindset, we equip ourselves with an unshakable belief in our abilities, a resilience to bounce back from failures, and a hope that lights our path even in the darkest hours. Adversity, though a tough teacher, is often the catalyst that sparks this transformation. It compels us to rise from the ashes, stronger and wiser, and it's this power of a positive mindset in overcoming adversity that we'll delve into today. Today we'll explore the story of a person who overcame adversity through the power of a positive mindset. Meet John, an ordinary individual with extraordinary determination. Born into a family struggling to make ends meet, John was no stranger to adversity. He knew the taste of hardship before he even knew the taste of candy. From a young age he was exposed to the harsh realities of life, where every day was a battle, every meal a victory. His shoes were worn with holes, his clothes were secondhand, and his dreams seemed as distant as the stars in the night sky. John's early life was a collage of challenges. He was the kid who walked to school because the bus fare was a luxury, the kid who studied under the dim glow of a streetlight because his home didn't have electricity, the kid who was teased for his ragged clothes and his empty lunchbox. But amidst the sea of struggles, John was an island of resilience. Each hardship he faced was a wave crashing against his resolve, but he stood steadfast, refusing to be washed away. His circumstances were not a cage but a crucible, forging him into a figure of strength and determination. John's life was not an easy road, it was a steep mountain trail. Every step was an uphill battle, every breath a testament to his will. The world saw him as a victim of his circumstances, but John saw himself as a warrior, battling against the odds. He faced adversity with a heart full of courage and a spirit that refused to be broken. His life was a symphony of struggles, but he chose to dance to its tune rather than be drowned by its noise. His struggles were not roadblocks, but stepping stones, shaping him into a person of incredible strength and resilience. John's life was a testament to the power of determination. It was a story of a boy who refused to give in to his circumstances, who chose to rise above his struggles, who dared to dream despite the darkness that surrounded him. But John didn't let his circumstances define him. Instead, he chose to define his circumstances. With every setback, John found a setup for a comeback. This is the essence of a positive mindset, the ability to see a glimmer of hope even in the darkest moments. Now, let us delve into how John turned his life around through the power of positivity. John, like many of us, faced adversities, but instead of succumbing to the pressure, he chose to adopt a different perspective. He realized that his battles were not against the world but against his own mind. This realization was the turning point in his life, the moment he decided to embrace a positive mindset. John began to understand that his thoughts were powerful. They could either pull him down or lift him up. He chose the latter. He started to see his challenges not as insurmountable obstacles but as opportunities for growth and learning. This shift in perspective was not easy. It required conscious effort and a lot of mental strength, but John was determined. John started to practice positivity daily. He began his mornings with gratitude, acknowledging the good in his life instead of focusing on the bad. He replaced his negative self-talk with positive affirmations, reminding himself of his capabilities and strengths. He started to visualize his success, painting a vivid picture in his mind of the person he wanted to become. John also understood the importance of resilience. He knew that positivity was not about ignoring life's difficulties but about facing them head-on with an optimistic outlook. He learned to bounce back from failures, viewing them as temporary setbacks rather than permanent roadblocks. And gradually, John noticed a change. His problems didn't disappear overnight, but his attitude towards them did. He found himself better equipped to handle his adversities, his positivity acting as a shield, protecting him from the negative impacts of his challenges. John's story demonstrates that our minds can be our greatest allies or our most formidable foes. It's all about the perspective we choose to adopt. As the saying goes, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. So let's think positive, shall we? John's journey wasn't easy, but his positive mindset led him to unimaginable heights. John, our protagonist, was an ordinary man with an extraordinary mindset. His journey was riddled with adversity, but it was his positive attitude that fueled his determination to overcome the odds. John's story is not about escaping adversity but about confronting it head-on with a smile. His story is about perseverance, about refusing to let negativity consume him. It's about the power of a positive mindset to transform challenges into opportunities, to turn stumbling blocks into stepping stones. John's triumph wasn't an overnight success. It was a product of countless hours of hard work, relentless optimism, and an unwavering belief in his capabilities. His positive mindset didn't just help him overcome adversity, it propelled him to heights he never thought possible. John's story is a testament to the transformative power of positivity. His journey demonstrates that a positive attitude isn't just about feeling good, it's about resilience. It's about maintaining hope when things seem bleak, about finding the strength to keep going when the odds are stacked against you. John's triumph is a testament to the power of resilience. His journey reminds us that adversity is a part of life, but it doesn't have to define us. We have the power to shape our own narrative, to redefine our relationship with adversity. John's story is a testament to the power of a positive mindset. His triumph over adversity wasn't just about overcoming challenges, it was about transforming his mindset. It was about cultivating a positive attitude that allowed him to see beyond his circumstances, to envision a future filled with possibility. John's triumph over adversity wasn't just about his success, it was about the journey. It was about the lessons he learned along the way, the strength he discovered within himself. It was about the power of a positive mindset to transform adversity into opportunity. John's story is a testament to the power of a positive mindset in overcoming adversity. His journey reminds us that we have the power to shape our own destiny, to overcome adversity through the power of positivity. John's story isn't just a tale of triumph, it's a lesson for us all. As we draw the curtains on this inspiring journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the key takeaways from John's story and how they can be applied to our own lives. John's story is a testament to the power of a positive mindset. When faced with adversity, he didn't crumble under the weight of his challenges. Instead, he chose to shift his perspective, to view his trials not as insurmountable obstacles, but as stepping stones towards his goals. This shift in mindset didn't magically erase John's problems. However, it transformed the way he interacted with them. He stopped viewing himself as a victim of circumstance and started seeing himself as the architect of his own destiny. This empowered him to take control of his situation, to make plans and take actions that would lead him out of his adversity. John's journey also emphasizes the importance of resilience. He stumbled, he faltered, but he never gave up. He understood that success isn't about never failing, but about getting back up every time you fall. His resilience, fueled by his positive mindset, became his shield against adversity. Finally, John's story underscores the significance of self-belief. He believed in his ability to overcome his challenges, and this belief became a self-fulfilling prophecy. His confidence in himself attracted positive outcomes and he was able to turn his life around. John's story is proof that no adversity is too great to overcome when armed with a positive mindset. His journey serves as a beacon guiding us through our own storms and reminding us that we too possess the power to rise above our challenges. Remember, the power to overcome adversity lies within you. Harness the power of a positive mindset and turn your obstacles into opportunities. John's story isn't just his story, it's the story of every person who dares to dream and never stops believing in their ability to make those dreams a reality. Adversity is a part of life, but how we respond to it defines our journey. It's like a gust of wind that tries to knock us off our feet, but we can learn to stand firm, to lean into the wind and use it to propel us forward. John's story is not an exception. It's a testament to the power of a positive mindset, a beacon of hope that guides us through our darkest hours. Positivity isn't about denying the hardship or pretending it doesn't exist. It's about acknowledging the challenge and choosing to focus on the potential for growth, the lessons to be learned, the strength to be gained. It's about resilience, the ability to bounce back, to keep going despite the odds. So remember, when adversity strikes, don't let it define you. Let your response define you. Embrace positivity, embrace resilience. Your mindset is your most powerful tool. Use it wisely and there's no adversity you can't overcome.